Okay, this is a floating bedside shelf that I recently bought, and it is honestly one of those little dorm room or apartment upgrades that solves a real problem. No more phone, glasses, and charger just scattered on your nightstand or floor. Let's take a look at what you actually get and how it works. First thing to point out, there's no tools, no drilling. This thing goes up with adhesive tape, so if you're renting or in a dorm, you don't have to worry about putting holes in the wall. You do have to give it about 4 to 6 hours to fully bond before you load it up. But after that, it's rated to hold up to 6 pounds, which is more than enough for everyday stuff. Let's look at the details up close. You've got this main upper pocket here that's actually wide enough for a Kindle, a phone, or even a small tablet. So it's not just a tiny phone slot. It can genuinely hold your everyday tech. Down here, you've got these little hook cutouts, which are perfect for stuff like sunglasses or a lanyard. And this built-in cup holder on the side actually has reinforced support underneath it, so it can hold a full cup or water bottle without the whole shelf sagging or pulling away from the wall. So let's put it to use. Water bottle goes right in the cup holder, nice and snug, not going anywhere. Sunglasses hook right onto these little tabs here, which are super easy in and out, and they slide around so you can adjust them to fit whatever you're trying to hang up. There's a slot right here that lets you run your charging cable through, so you can plug your phone in, set it right on the pocket, and charge it overnight without a cord dangling everywhere. And here's how it looks fully set up on the wall. It's compact, it doesn't stick out too far, and it actually looks pretty clean and intentional. Not like a random plastic add-on. If you're tight on space or just hate having your nightstand cluttered, this is a pretty simple fix. For the price, it's a solid little organizer.